So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this PetArmor CAPACTION tablets. This is a 6 tablets and they're 11.4 milligram each. And the main ingredient I think is nitenpyram is how you would say that. And the ones I have are for a 2 and up to from 2 pounds to 25 pound dog. I have a little small dog. Actually, I have 2 small dogs, and they get, one is like a flea magnet. And what I wanted to do, I wanted to try some different type of things that would help control the fleas. Now, I tried some of the spray, and that seemed to work for a while, but it wore off. So what I did, I got a set of these, and I have actually went through the entire packet of these things. Let me show you how they come. They come just like this, and it's a little press open like that. And the best way I'd found to give it to her is I just open the mouth, stick it in there, hold the mouth, and she ends up swallowing them. They're very, very tiny, everybody. I mean, they're like that big. It's for oral use only, and it begins working in 30 minutes. And I am not joking when I say 30 minutes. Actually, I just gave her one about 15 minutes ago, and I will show at the end of this video how it's working, because there was fleas on her stomach, and we'll see how they're doing. And let's just kind of like go over some of it. Single dose, the CAPACTION should kill adult fleas on your pet. If they get reinfested, you can give them another dose as much as once per day. Or I found out that this lasts about 42 hours. It lasts about 48 hours. So you get about 2 to 3 days of flea control out of each one of these pills. But how this works is when the dog ingests one of these, this has the ingredients here. Obviously, you know, it's a smaller ingredient for smaller dog, it's larger for larger dogs, and the ingredient will start killing the fleas as soon as they bite the animal. So as soon as it bites, whether it's a cat or dog, it ends up knocking out the fleas right away. And there's and from what I've seen, there's no adverse reactions that I've seen. You know, she just basically stops itching, and that's all I see. So let me go ahead, let's go over here, check her out, and let's see if we're starting to kill some of the fleas that okay, so I have my little dog Mally here. This is the one that I actually had take the peel there. If you see right here, that's a dead flea, everybody. Y'all see that? I don't know how well, that is very tiny, but there's a dead flea right there. The problem is they actually die and fall off. They were on her a while ago. now I'm struggling to find one, because what happens is as soon as they do one feeding, oh, there's another one right there. That's a dead flea right there. Check that out. This stuff works extremely well. There's another dead flea right there. I know it kind of looks like dirt, but it's not. That's actually a dead flea. That's how quickly this stuff works. It's probably been about 30 minutes, and I don't see anything. Let's check her belly here. You'll always see them running on her belly. There is nothing running on her belly. That's a little gnat right there. Flea free, how about that? And there's one more right there. Millie, you are good to go. So yeah, everybody, I think that stuff works extremely well, and I recommend it. And you know what? Millie recommends it. So see y'all in the next video.